In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup radio buttons in a fillable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Before we get started, let's make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed and your PDF file ready to edit. This process is useful when you want each radio button to act independently, particularly when they are set to behave as a group by default. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have it open, locate the radio buttons on your document. By default, radio buttons are often grouped together, allowing only one to be selected at a time. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to change that, enabling each radio button to be selected individually. Navigate to the right panel and select the All Tools tab. From the available options, click on Prepare a Form. This feature helps to edit or create form fields within your PDF. Click on Create Form, and when a dialog box pops up, simply click OK to proceed. This action activates the form editing mode, giving you the ability to manipulate the elements within your PDF file. Next, we need to address the way these radio buttons are grouped. Right-click on one of the radio buttons and select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens a window displaying the properties of that particular radio button. Here you'll notice a tab labeled General. Within this tab, you'll see that the radio button is assigned to a group named Group 6. This grouping is why you can only select one button at a time. To further investigate, check the properties of the other two radio buttons as well. You'll find that they are also named Group 6, which confirms they are part of the same group. To ungroup these radio buttons, right-click on any radio button and go back into the Properties menu. Once again, head over to the General tab and change the name from Group 6 to another unique identifier. This is crucial because having different names will separate them into individual entities within the PDF. Repeat this renaming process for the other two radio buttons, ensuring each one has a distinct name. Finally, to verify that the action was successful, enable the Preview mode. In this mode, you should be able to select each radio button independently, rather than being restricted to a single choice among them. This confirms that the ungrouping process is complete, and all radio buttons are now independent, allowing for multiple selections. And there you have it, you've successfully ungrouped the radio buttons in your PDF document, enabling individual selections. This can be particularly handy if you need more flexible input options. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.